My name's Fotso. I'm a conservationist working for the Wildlife Conservation Society. Most of my weekend, actually, when I'm not busy doing some other thing on conservation, I'm out bird watching. We are inside the Kala forest today, just about 20 kilometers outside of Yaoundé, the capital city of Cameroon. We are looking for the Grey-necked Picathartes, which is a very special bird. The Grey-necked Picathartes looks just like a big pigeon with long legs and a long tail, but have this special feature that the head is very colorful. Have no feather on the head, but rather have patches of bright red and blue separated by black that goes over the eyes. And this actually contrasts very well with the gray back and the yellowish belly. When you happen to spot the bird in the bush, they look quite nice. It's the magic about this bird because of his secrecy. He's unique. He's not like any other bird. This is a typical nesting site for the Picathartes. I first seen this nest in 1995. It always started with a bit of mud. Then they have to find a crack, a crevice where they can actually hang where they're starting to put the mud. Because this part of the mud actually is added over years. That's what makes the nest in the end big and strong. So they revisit it every year. It's hard work. You really have to love this to do it. One thing people have to realize that it takes up to 6 months for the bird to complete such a nest. We're looking for this bird and we hope to be able to see it today because it is a very elusive, quiet and secretive bird. The Grey-necked Picathartes have this very strict habitat requirement and they're very sensitive to any kind of disturbances. Finding this bird, having a stable and good population is a good indication that the surrounding habitat may be in good shape. We have one of the best and most important population of the Grey-necked Picathartes in Cameroon. And so close to Yaoundé, there's a high risk and serious pressure coming from land development. It's a typical illustration of illegal logging because this tree has just been felled in front of the cave where the Grey-necked Picathartes has been nesting for at least the past 20, 40 years. So it's damaging. It's not just like, they're cutting the tree, they're opening up the area. They're putting extra pressure on these bird species. We can understand sometimes that people try to make some living, but this is not the right way of doing this. There's a need for protecting these forests. You have many, many plants in this that people are using either for medicine or for food. This is the water spring for many of the small rivers around this place. So keeping a watershed is keeping the clean air for the big city. It can provide a powerful education. The next generation of conservationists and biologists use this as a laboratory for learning how to better protect the entire forest of Cameroon. These forests still have the capacity and the potential to recover if protected. And I hope that people can listen to this and realize the importance of this piece of forest and take the necessary steps to protect it.